Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this ombre and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use mint green by LA Colors Mermaid Magic. It's called Sea Life. Beige by Wet n Wild, doesn't have a name, it's just beige. And blue by Bundle Monster called Royal Blue. So I'm going to apply the beige and the mint green onto a clean makeup sponge. You can use any color combo you want, but I just thought this was something different than my usual designs, and it just popped in my head, and I just thought the color combos is really something different, and I loved how it all turned out. Now, with the mint green I used, it took me a while to do the ombre. I had to do it so many times to get that dark opaque color, but once I was done with it, I love the finished look. So if you use anything with a sheer, polish, or something that's not as dark, do it a few times to get the consistency you want. Once I was done, I'm going to use my Buitee JQ-42 nail plate. I'm going to apply blue stamping polish onto this abstract design. I just thought this design would be perfect to put on top of that ombre. I just loved the whole look of it, and I wanted to use this blue polish because I just thought it looked perfect on top of the whole look. Once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex, I cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and tell me what you like about this or any other designs you want me to do. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.